Are you intrigued by those internet ads claiming to know the secret to shedding belly fat or the one trick to losing belly fat? If so, you're not alone. Americans and others spend countless hours and billions of dollars trying anything and everything to attain a flat stomach. But is there really a magic bullet, a fast and easy way to get rid of stubborn belly fat? Actually, there are many ways to banish belly fat if you're willing to make the effort. In this video, we will show you different ways and eventually give out our best recipe of the day. So please stick with us till the end of the video and make the most of it. As that there is no one trick to losing belly fat, here's what you need to do. 1. Start simple. Typically, there are many things you may need to improve to lose belly fat, but start by focusing on changing or improving just one thing. Then, once you conquer that first objective, you can move on to the next thing, and so on. 2. Target sugar. One good place to begin improving your food choices is to eliminate sugary drinks, and not just soda, but also juices. Replacing sugary beverages with water will help you dramatically cut down your sugar intake. And then, once you've taken that step, you can figure out how to cut down on foods that are high in sugar. 3. Go Mediterranean. The popular belly fat diets embrace much of the wisdom found in eating Mediterranean diet, which helps everything from brain health to heart health. The basic premise for both diets is eat foods rich in monosaturated fatty acids that may help reduce your belly fat storage. Monosaturated fatty acids rich foods include olive oil, nuts and seeds, avocados, and fish. Eating yogurt regularly has also been found to be helpful in reducing belly fat. 4. Front load your meal. Start your meal, especially your largest meal, with seasoned vegetables. Be it vegetable soup or the vegetables on your entree plate. And remember that vegetables should always comprise at least half your plate and be a mix of stretchy like potatoes and non-stretchy ones, your leafy greens, broccoli, etc. And remember that vegetables should always comprise at least half of your plate and be a mix of stretchy like potatoes and non-stretchy ones like leafy greens and broccoli. 5. Move around fidget. Fidgeting is good for you. It's considered a non-exercise physical activity, and it's an important way to burn energy. You get more health benefits if in addition to exercising, you are a more fidgety, more active person the rest of the day. This means gesturing while you're talking, tapping your food, just moving around. 6. Redefine rest. If your leisure time involves sitting around on the sofa or in a chair, you might actually be offsetting the positive health effects of exercising, even if you're working out regularly. Now, as we promised, let's get you straight to the recipe that'll help you lose pounds of stubborn belly fat in only a few days. For that, all you need is 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, then mix these two together. After getting mixed very well, add another tablespoon of ground ginger and mix again. Eventually, you go for the pickling, which for that you need 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a squeeze of the lemon water. Mix well and bon appetit.